Nā, ki te poitarawhiti a hakoa I roto ia I te kapa Mystics I toa whakaihu wakara I te whakataetai poitarawhiti o te motu I te rātou. E hīkaka ana a Kate Burley kia whanake tonu ake ia I roto I te ara o te poitarawhiti. Kua whakarere te uri o te arawa I tōna whānau I tāmaki makaurau kia haere ia ki Murihiku o tira ki te kapa Southern Steel. Ki te aha ki te whakakoi I ona pūkenga me ona mōhiotanga. I mau ake te kaiārai Māori nei ia Victor Waters I te rohe o Waihopai.
Nā te hiringa I te mahara I te rapaina e Kate Burley. He wero hou ki te taitonga.
It was kind of an opportunity to put myself in a situation where I felt really uncomfortable, and so I've always kind of done what's been convenient and stayed in Auckland around my support system and where I'm studying, and I kind of looked at my career and what I want to achieve, and I was like, okay, I need to do something in order to see a change.
I hunuku ia ki Waihopai. Whakarere ana tana whānau I tamaki mō te wā tuatahi.
I definitely had my little time of homesickness at the start when I was kind of getting to know everyone, but everyone adopted me straight away.
Yeah, I do feel really lucky to have her down here, and we've got quite a quiet team who are quite reserved, and she's quite noisy and loud and bubbly, and I really like that because she makes me feel alive when the others are just sitting quietly and peacefully. You know, she's not afraid to speak up, she's not afraid to share her opinions, but she's got a nice manner about her.
Whai muri I te pikitūranga ki ona hoa kakari, pau ako hoki. E aro nui ana te titiro ki ngā kai whiriwhiri o ngā rarauhe hiriwa.
Obviously the Ferns is a goal one day in the future, and so I kind of had to look at what I'm willing to do in order to achieve that goal, and yeah, I guess it was just seeing what I can do with my game and seeing how I can change it in order to kind of really establish myself. I think it's just focusing on my strength as a player, and I'm not the tallest defender out there, so it's kind of using my jump and my speed to kind of make an impact on the court.
Kua whakamaiorotia te kapa Southern Steel, engari taro ake nei tātou ki te ai, mena ka whai wāhi a Burley ki ngā rarauhe hiriwa, ki reira te rama mai ai. Victor Waters, Te Karere.